Jojalapa, Neva Language Learning, Chapter 38, Nicknames for Friends. This chapter is just for fun, please don't take it seriously. For website designing services, please remember Apple Technologies. Number 1. Police. Usually we say this for male. It is known as in Newari, Paka. Number 2. Short man or short kids in height, terms of height. Baga. Number 3. Tall man, kids or woman. Chuantia. Number 4. Black. Haku. For color also we call it Haku. For black heart we call it Hakuman or Hakunuga. I think normally man is a Nepali word and Newari word is Nuga. Number 5. Black old woman, Hakuburi. Number 6. Beggar, Poging. Number 7. Mad, Wing. For female, Wing. 8. Crazy or moody, Chawing. For female, Chawing. Number 9. Chicken thief. Not cooked chicken, but it's only chicken. I mean alive chicken. Khakung. For female, Khakuni. Fat, Guara. Pumpkin, Fussy. Normally we call fussy for fat people. People make fun of them calling fussy. Monkey face. 12. Monkey face, Makakwa. 13. Dog face, Hichakwa. 14. Cat face, Pauchakwa. 15. Teet husband, Khichaya Pata. Number 16. Slow. For people we call it Washa. 17. Very thin people, Tinky. Husband of mute, who cannot talk. Female mute, Latia Pata. Number 19. A person who talks lot on sexual topics, jokes, behaviors, etc. We call that person Yami. Number 20. Police, Paka. Sorry for repeating this, I have already mentioned this above. 21. Short man. Okay, I have repeated this again by mistake. Short man, kids, male, Baga. I have copy pasted 2 times. Thank you for watching. I'll be back again with new videos. Till then, Subha. And if you wish to contribute in a Newari course book project, then you can contribute. For more details, please check description below. Subha.